Hey guys, today I will not tell you a story, but we will do a more interesting thing than that. We will swim in the mind of people who are going out nowadays carelessly. For this, let we go back 1 year. It was nearly 25th of March 2020 when central government announced lockdown in over all nation.
आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है.
On the same day, I went outside with my father to bring milk. We were on the scooty. I was sitting on the back seat. The most strange thing which I observed was the quiet darkness there, because the shop lights were closed since the shops were only closed. The people's roaming had not weared any mask, including us. At that time I was a little bit scared because I felt the possibility of getting infected by the virus. The possibility of getting infected by the virus is now also there and much greater. But at that time, I was thinking that if I would get infected, I would die. No other statement was coming in the mind to contradict this one. Nothing. Like the statements like if I would get infected, also I will get revived from it, or if I would get infected, then no symptoms will be seen. I will become normal soon. Nothing. अगर मेरे को वो कोरोना वायरस हुआ तो मैं मेला. But now we know many facts, many true, false, mixed facts we know. Like when a person goes out from his home, he thinks that it is more likely that I will not get infected. The first thought which many people's mind come, that it is more likely that I will not get infected. And 90% of the people stops thinking here only. They don't ask the questions forward, even if they wanted to. But some people force them to think forward. Now, second question in the remaining 10% people comes that what if I get infected? What if I get infected? The strange thing is that they don't give the answer of the questions which have been came in their mind itself and carry on with their work. मतलब वो ये इतना ही सोच कर रुक जाते हैं और अपना काम करने लगते हैं. If someone is running on the road, walking on the road, going somewhere else, they keep on doing the work or forget the question which arose in his mind. Even I accept that I comes in this category, and This is called negligence. This is called laparwahi. The most exact, most proper word to describe the behavior, which is used by many intellectuals, many news reporters, but people don't get into the depth of this word. What do they mean? And yes, there is a category of people who go out to feed their family, and they are the sufferers, and they suffer the most. And yes, I would like to tell you that the person who suffer should be the person from whom you should refer about the condition. I think you are understanding what I am saying. A unknown saying said by Sri Madhav Prasad that unknown, I said unknown, that emotion is the life. Emotions is the life, or emotions are the life. Where science loses, their emotion starts its game. What I am trying to say is that in this situation, it is very important to bind the peoples by emotions, to connect the peoples by emotions. And in this, you all are knowing that politicians are expert. You might have remembered that in the initial situation of coronavirus, our prime minister used to come on the television, which had influenced us, which has very strongly influenced us. There is the need of that now also. But I confess that my thinking might be false, might not be true. My thinking can be contradicted by more depth thoughts. So I hope you liked this video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, au revoir.